Hey everyone, have you noticed your grocery bill creeping up again? Or maybe your favorite coffee suddenly costs more? Well, welcome to 2025, where inflation, that thing where prices keep rising, is making a comeback. Today I want to explain in plain English why this is happening, what's driving it, and what it could mean for your wallet. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple and interesting. No boring economic lectures here. Right now, prices in the US are about 2.8% higher than last year. That might not sound dramatic, but just a few months ago, inflation was falling, and many people thought we were out of the woods. Now it's climbing again. Even when we leave out things that change a lot, like food and gas, prices are still up about 3%. Economists call this core inflation, and it shows the long-term trend. One big reason? Tariffs. A tariff is basically a tax on goods the U.S. buys from other countries. Imagine you own a store that imports electronics. If the government puts a tariff on them, your costs go up. Are you going to just swallow that loss? Of course not. You'll raise your prices and customers will pay more. That's exactly what's happening now. Experts say tariffs alone could be adding almost half a percentage point to inflation. The tricky part is that once prices go up, they don't always come back down. Companies get used to charging more. Workers see prices rising and ask for higher wages. Businesses then raise prices again to cover payroll. It's like passing a hot potato, except the potato is your money. To make matters worse, the economy isn't growing as fast right now. Job growth is slowing, people are spending less, but prices keep rising. Economists have a scary word for this mix: stagflation. That's when things cost more, but the economy isn't really moving forward. We're not in full stagflation yet, but what we have is an uncomfortable stagflation light. And it's not just politics and economics at play. Mother Nature has joined the party. Bad weather around the world is hurting crops, pushing up food prices. Droughts have damaged vegetable farms. Storms have hit coffee and cocoa harvests, which means your chocolate bar or morning latte might cost more. Some economists even have a term for this: ecoflation, where climate change keeps making everyday products more expensive. There's also the issue of government debt. When a country spends more than it earns for a long time, people start to worry the government will solve it by printing more money. And when more money chases the same amount of goods, prices rise. So what's next? Some experts think this inflation bump is temporary, mostly caused by tariffs, and that things could cool down in 2026. Others aren't so sure. If climate problems, supply shortages, and high debt keep pushing prices up, inflation could stick around longer than we'd like. The Federal Reserve now faces a tough decision: keep interest rates high to fight inflation, risking a weaker economy, or lower rates to boost growth and risk making inflation worse. The bottom line is that prices are up in 2025 because of a mix of new tariffs, sticky pricing habits, climate shocks, and deeper financial pressures. It's not one villain, it's a whole team. So the next time you see a higher price tag, you'll know there's a big, messy story behind it. What do you think? Are we heading back to stable prices soon, or is this just the start of a longer struggle?